it made the landfall, and what is the present situation now?
The landfall of this very severe cyclone took place near Palasa, in Srikakulam district in Andhra Pradesh at about 4:30 am, and between 4:30 to 5:30 am, and the landfall process gets completed within 2 to 3 hours, and after that it will remain active in Odisha till the evening, and it is expected that because of this cyclone, within next 24 hours there will be heavy to very heavy, and in some places extremely heavy rainfall in coastal, south interior and coastal districts of Odisha, and we are very watchful about the situation. During last 24 hours, we have received report about rainfall, and in different district we have had very good rainfall. In some of the blocks, more than 100 millimeter of rainfall also has been recorded.
So which district is affected more?
Gajapati district is reported to have suffered more damages. Though it was expected the Ganjam would have more damage due to the cyclone. In Gajapati, the road communication from the district headquarters Parla community to Kashinagar, Parla community to Mohana, and Parla community to Mohana have been disrupted, and there have been damages to the thatched house, asbestos houses, and a lot of trees have been uprooted, and we are trying to restore the road communication in Gajapati district as soon as possible.
Sir, is there any casualty has been reported, and how many people have been evacuated?
No casualty has been reported so far, and it is a matter of great satisfaction for us. About 3 lakh people had been evacuated in a very short time from the very vulnerable areas, and they were kept in about 1,000 shelters, and soon after the situation becomes normal, they will be sent home.
Is there